The scientific research on climate change is evolving globally. It is now more than necessary to understand how countries around the world are adapting to this adversity. We here at the Population Council conduct research to address issues, including climate change, through our Population, Environmental Risks, and Climate Crisis Initiative, or the PERCC Initiative. The PERCC Initiative aims to generate data and evidence to improve understanding on how the climate crisis and environmental risks intersect with ingrained economic and social inequalities to influence the health and well-being of different marginalized groups.
The impacts of climate change and environmental risk pose major threats to global health and development gains. That's why at the Population Council, we launched a global research program that aims at improving the world understandings of the intersection between population health and climate science.
Our strategic focus areas are gender equality and adolescent health and well-being, harmonized demographic and climate modeling, sustainable livelihoods for economic empowerment, a path to environmental justice.
The PERCC researchers are investigating some of the most pressing issues in climate change. Answering this will help communities better prepare not only to adapt to climate crisis, but also develop strategies that can mitigate the effect of climate change.
The scope of our efforts are spread across a wide range of subjects, which include just transition, renewable energy, migration, urbanization, modeling, air pollution, extreme weather events, livelihood diversification, and nutrition.
We've had problems of excessive drought. We've also had the flash floods and flooding. And we know that each time you have issues that are a result of climate change, they are mostly manifested in women and children.
The PERCC Initiative complements ongoing council research, expanding our focus to address urgent issues in climate and development through the support of a global network of 12 country offices.
Through our network of offices, we have at least 3/3 of the council staff based in these offices. Many of them are engaged very closely on the issues that are affecting us in the countries where we are located.
We at Population Council in India, with several decades of experience on keeping the population at the center of health, environment, and development, are committed to support the government's initiatives on climate change mitigation and adaptation.
Big ideas supported by evidence. It's our model for global change. Join us to make a better world shaped by data and evidence.